Hello, Patanimals. I just learned about an animal covered in scales, and it's a mammal. Meet the pangolin, the world's only scaly mammal. Fact 1. Pangolins are covered in keratin scales, the same stuff as our nails and hair. Fact 2. They curl into a ball when threatened, making them nearly impossible to bite. Fact 3. One pangolin can eat 70 million ants and termites a year. That's insane. Fact 4. Shockingly, they're the most trafficked mammal because of myths about their scales. Pangolins are incredible. We need to protect them. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.